Hello friends, this is Vivek Bajaj, co-founder of StockEdge. Friends, in this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to use StockEdge, how to start using StockEdge. It's a great tool, especially for people who want to take things in their hand and who want to do it on their own. I think this is something which we have developed very nice. If you want to use StockEdge, you have two options. Either you can use it on mobile app. It started as a mobile app and it has more than 2.5 million downloads. It's a great platform. Apart from mobile app, you can actually use web version of StockEdge. So I'm going to show you the demo using the web version. You can see the same thing, exactly everything is the same in the mobile app version as well. So when you want to use the web version of StockEdge, just type web.stockedge.com. You will see this interface. This interface has three parts. One is the left panel, other is the right panel, and middle is the body. Okay. When you look at the app, you will find similar kind of a thing. You have to swipe on the right to see the right panel and swipe on the left to see the left panel. If you want to install StockEdge on your desktop, there is an install button here. Just click and install, and StockEdge will be there as an application on your desktop or laptop or whatever desktop you're using. So let me go inside how to start using it. So StockEdge has two key structure. One is the explore, which is basically all important data points which you need to analyze the market depending upon what you want to do. If you are a part-time market participant, I would seriously recommend you to go through all these important data points related to market on a daily basis, preferably every evening. By around 7:30, 8 o'clock, we update the StockEdge app by taking data from various sources. So we take data from exchange, we take data from vendors, and finally we send you an alert that the data has been updated and now you start the homework. So the ideal time to start StockEdge homework is post dinner. Have early dinner and spend at least half an hour to 1 hour using StockEdge, particularly the explore feature of StockEdge, which has all the data you need to analyze the market as a part-time market participant. Someone who is a full-time market participant and who want more inputs from us, apart from the explore section, there is something called analytics, which is the value-added analytics we are building on top of these data points. So you have multiple scans, screeners, you have investment themes which you can undertake to start deciding whether you want to invest in a stock or not. You have portfolio of star investors. So we have aggregated the portfolio of more than 300 top investors of India, and you can see their portfolio right here in front of you. Apart from that, you have various trading strategies. So in case anyone is interested in finding out stocks to trade for same day or next day or for some extended days, we have these trading strategies which you can use. We have these edge reports which you can use for your next level analysis of market. So there is so much we are building on the analytics side to give you that power of doing it on your own and taking control on your own. Apart from equities, we have these mutual fund segments. So everything you want about mutual fund, your investments, as well as overall about the industry, all data points is hosted here. But the most interesting thing which you have to use once you become once you register in StockEdge, which is free. So registration is free. Obviously, if you want to use the premium features of StockEdge, there is a nominal cost of that exercise, but registration is free. And once you register, you can create your own watch list. So go and create multiple watch lists, and our watch list is intelligent watch list, so it gives you insights related to stocks which is part of your watch list. Apart from watch list, you can create your own mutual fund watch list. You create your own scans, so you can favorite the scans which we have created for you already. You can create your own combination scan, so you can combine multiple screen parameters and create combinations which can give you stock ideas for short-term trading or for investing as well. Well, if you want to invest, you want to combine a lot of fundamental scans, and if you want to trade, you want to combine a lot of price action based or technical based scans for your decision making. You can create your own sticky notes. So what we have done is we have given you a opportunity to add notes with these stocks, and every time you visit any stock, on the right side you see there is a note, so you can see your historical notes which you have written. So StockEdge technically becomes a digital diary. So anything related to stocks, which you want to note down, this is a utility which will help you. Well, don't worry if you don't understand any concept, if you don't understand any feature of stockage. There is I here which will guide you to every single output of stockage so that you don't get feel lost, as well as you also learn from our I feature what are the various concepts which are relevant in the market. Also, there is a small community which we have built called Stockage Club, which is a separate premium subscription product. If you become part of the Stockage Club, then discussions which are happening related to every stock is there in that club, and you can participate in that discussion, or you can seek informations from our team of analysts as well as other peer club members. So there is so much we have given, friends, on the equity side, on the mutual funds, and as well as on customizing the stockage for you. People who want to learn more, obviously the learn section of stockage is also there, which will help you to learn more about various concepts as well as about the stockage. I hope you like this working, and I hope you're going to use it to the full advantage. This is a power packed powerhouse of financial data, and if you're serious about making money from stock market, this is a tool which you want to deep dive into. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. I hope you will share this video with your friends and family. Bye bye.